it's me and my buddy Hayden. Hayden?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, I have friends too.
Yeah, only me though.
That's a lot with more friends than you, definitely.
That's not true, man.
That's messed up, man. You can find Hayden on.
Don't show me out. I have enough followers.
Wait. What happened?
You have Trove downloaded? Did you do the tutorial yet?
Yeah, but I have to make it. Oh my gosh, it's so slow. Jeez.
Holy shit. My bad for swearing. Holy. I might grind this game on stream. Sometime.
Dude, my takes so.
I'm about to explode. Oh my god!
Who the heck is that lady?
Probably a woman.
It is. How did you know?
I'm just that smart.
Wait. Oh my gosh. Trove is taking my computer. You just made me install a virus, didn't you, Hayden?
No, I didn't.
Did you?
It's
No, you
Trove.
did.
Trove.
Go to my account.
I used to play Trove all the time. It was a very great experience, to say the least. Ow, you
It's
mother
asking
fudge.
a bunch of questions. Wait, do you have to
so good.
do you have to make a username into like the thing?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
I will show you to do it.
It didn't. It said email.
Email.
Did I
Yeah,
make?
you have to do your email. It will do it after you do your email. It will do it like after you've completed your tutorial, I think.
Yeah, but like when I press play, it says login. Then when I
Yeah, because you have to log in.
Wait, you have to. No, wait.
Because you have to create an account, and then you have to go back to the page where it says login.
Yeah, but
once
I go into it, it just says username, but I don't have a username, so now I'm confused.
No, then you try using your email.
What would you like to be? Oh, now it's working.
Yeah, I told you. See,
No,
I'm
it
smart.
didn't work before. Okay, like this.
No, it's just because I'm smart.
No, it's just the Steam. It's the Steam's fault.
So I'm not smart.
Yeah, you are very smart. If you're watching this game, you'd see how slow this is going. Like, jeez.
Holy crap.
Can you see? Oh. Oh, there's so many good classes. Should I be a knight? Should I be a tomb user?
I'm being a candy barbarian, so don't be a candy barbarian.
Okay, I'll be a candy barbarian.
No!
Is that any cool guys?
Wait, mods? You can get mods.
I have to be a knight. There's only. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, knight's pretty good.
That's not why I have to be a knight for one reason and one reason. I have to. Okay. I'm gonna have to put my.
You have to be a berserker.
Yeah, I have to be a. Gatsu. I have to be like Gatsu.
I don't know who that is.
You just.
A starter chaos chest? Fairy dust. Pushing P.
Oh. I have to play the lowest quality.
I'm playing highest quality as I can, I think.
Oh my gosh, dang.
Until I start my stream and then it's gonna go off.
You should see this thing, this is so glitchy. M1
It's not like anybody's watching.
M1? What?
What?
It says M1. What's that? I don't know what M1 is. Hey, what's M1?
F1?
Oh, it's good. Oh, I mean, maybe should.
Well, M1 is like the attack button.
Yeah. I just did something stupid. I'm not buying any of this.
Huh. I'm so freaking good.
Is there any way to make like? Can you go low? Can you put the quality lower than low? Is it possible?
No. Something good, please.
I don't know what I did.
The Legend of the Berserker truck.
The Legend of the Berserker. I'll do that if I'm playing the Legend of Zelda. Aiden, the game is very hard to play it now. Is there any
Your
way
quality is bad.
My quality is bad. You should watch this team. Wait, is that?
Why don't you make it good?
How do I make it? Oh, jeez. Right. If I put all of this down, do you think maybe it'll? Okay. Should be playable after this. Oh, let's go. Now this is exactly the quality I need. It's still laggy.
Hum.
Let's go.
I'm gonna start streaming in a minute, probably.
I'm already streaming.
The Berserker.
Hey guys, my one follower. Dude, it won't let me move. I'm stuck. It says B. What? Like a switch? Cool. What is B? B? What's this? I equipped an. Is that good? Immortal? I don't want to wish for this. Yeah, how to make the quality worse than this. Don't go to the store, go to settings. Let's go.
I'm gonna start streaming.
Dude. Still not. I'm just gonna put this back to whatever it was in the
I'll keep chat that I can check it on my phone.
I can't check chat on my phone at all.
Ba ba ba.
I want to check chat. I have to go back here. Then I have to see if there's one viewer on my stream. Let's go. Thank you, one viewer. I still have no idea. Shit. Guys, let's go. I figured out how to dodge. This game's almost unplayable, but I can do it. Playing game. Hey, how do you pick up items? B. B is not to pick up items. Aiden.
What?
How do you pick up items?
It shows you the tutorial. Press E.
Oh, it didn't say it. Oh, I got it. Thank you. I must have missed it. It's so laggy. Oh my god. I gosh, I'm about to die. Summoning a cornerstone, find an empty.
I need to find a Trove thumbnail for my stream.
I need to die.
I'm just gonna search up Trove and then put a. I'm gonna have to start making thumbnails.
I'm not totally not this Steam Toba. You should see how bad this looks like.
Save image as pictures.
Supposed to do that. One. And because I'm very classy. If I don't want to, well, fuck for you, kid. You're Dash until play better games because you suck. I'm just
no
kidding.
game's better than Trove. Trove is my child.
What was mine? What was the game?
Trove is quite laggy while you're streaming.
It is. I said that. No. It's not just laggy on Steam. This is actually how it is on my PC.
Mine's. I put my graphics on low, bruh.
I put my graphics on low.
It's not that hard, but it's like kinda hard. I don't know.
Well, it's gonna stick. I have it on hard mode because of my difficulty.
I have to have my graphics like low because like.
Well, does your game look like mine?
Probably not, but it's kind of choppy.
Mine is. I can't. Look, every time I move, is it?
I don't play. Oh, actually, I'll go into the second one.
You should keep going further and further. What happens if you go too deep into a cave?
Just go out. Alrighty.
It's like a mine.
Let's do this stuff, baby. Oh, it's not even that laggy anymore. It's only laggy when you're around players. For me, at least.
It's only like when you
low.
suck games. Dude, the enemies don't even see me. That's
what the hell did I just do? Whoa. Did I do something? I think something. I don't know. I haven't played this game in a while. I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna destroy dungeons and get good.
Dungeon.
Exactly.
Wait, are you just supposed to claim these things?
Yeah, you're supposed to claim one of them. Cause that's like your base.
What if I claim two of them?
You can't. It will destroy the other one that you claimed previously.
How could it?
Oh shoot, there's a guy here with me. He's faster than me because I'm slow. I'm going with him to this big dungeon because I want to fight in the big dungeon.
How do I find you in this game? Do I just look?
Well, I mean, we're gonna have to add each other if we want to be in the same game.
Oh, what if I'm too busy being confused? Is this a single?
What am I fucking? No, it's a multiplayer.
No, I'm not. Whenever I'm doing a single player, the PC didn't.
That's because the game has to render in more when you're playing a multiplayer because there's more people that are actually doing stuff.
Put on the slowest graphics it could possibly be. Oh, it's somehow laggy.
My weapon is so strong for my level. So I'm just like, I'm chilling.
No, what's going on? No, stop! Oh, thank God. Oh, yeah. That's, no, stop! No!
I'm gonna let this guy beat it all for us. Oh, I got rare stuff. Nice. What?
I died.
36 plus maximum health. It's fine. Oh, we.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be good at this game.
It's not. See. Wait, what would happen if I put everything at the highest possible thing?
Fucking everything would explode.
Maybe there would be a really nice picture at least then.
Yeah.
God. I think I should just play a different game. How does Valorant work better than 2?
I don't know. I can't play Valorant right now though, which sucks. Cause I'm banned.
Did you get banned? You said no was?
No, I just got banned. It banned me for like, I think I went AFK in the middle of the game.
Wait, you get banned if you get AFK?
Yeah. I'm pretty
What
sure.
if you leave a game, do you get banned for that?
Yeah.
Really? Or is it only if you leave a game on?
Yes.
Going to another island. Those anime fan. Let's go, anime dude.
Anime is scary.
Yeah, it's just scared of scary stuff. Scary stuff. Might be a bit scary. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial.
Even though he doesn't know how to play it either.
It's not like I'm gonna get
YouTube studio. Oh, what?
They have wings.
Irrelevant.
Yep, irrelevant.
What?
Alright. Sorry if I offended you. Cute. This guy keeps killing me. What should I do? Aiden, I killed him. I think I did it when I posted. Wait, is there a parry in this game?
What?
A parry?
I don't know.
It's like dots. So good at 12, you know, not 20.
This is like the best game of all time.
This is what I quality.
Holy shit.
We're fighting ones against one right now.
Hey.
Hey, there's this big guy who's helping me out.
I got on my PlayStation, I can probably link my account.
Good job,
Probably.
Toby. You've done it. Press and hold H for several seconds to travel to hard. Wait, is my PC connected to that? Well, I guess we just have to find out. Okay. Hey, it doesn't even look that. Wait. Hey, the hub world is working better than the tutorial.
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't freaking know.
The tutorial also give you that much trouble, or is it just me?
No, I was fine because I wasn't streaming during the tutorial.
Oh wait, if you stream,
Streaming makes your quality go down.
of course it does.
It does that for every game though.
Then I must be stupid. But
I
I
agree.
played Snap with it at least, so let's go. Yeah. Let's see how the stream's doing, since I can't do that. I still have one
I don't know if I should start streaming on Twitch. Maybe I should.
Twitch. Like on YouTube, Twitch, who knows, man? Who knows? Oyasumiya, Eisumiya.
I'm gonna do a YouTube video soon about me and Phoenix are gonna buy Fortnite accounts. So I'm gonna do a YouTube video. Yeah, we're both gonna buy Fortnite.
I'm gonna get my first skin done too. How do I add someone? Oh wait, why am I saying? How do I add? What's your name, Hayden?
Fortnite God 6. No, it's just HeyDre107.
Okay, Fortnite God.
No, no.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, what is it? Hayden?
Yeah.
What is it?
HeyDre107.
Hey, what a classic. 108,
Yeah,
just kidding.
yes.
That looks like canceled by mistake.
Oh shoot.
There's no capital in your name, eh?
I get free things. Let's go. No capital.
Yeah.
I just got a cake and a free starter class.
You also got a thing request, so. Sting feels novice difficult. You wanna just carry me through the game and just like...
Square.
I can just imagine these people like, this guy's quality sucks, he's trash in the game. No, what? Let's go. I'm just kidding. Anyways, as it goes on.
Ice Sage. I used to main Ice Sage.
Did you accept my flame request?
Wait, you friend requested me? How do I check that?
That's a good question. How do you check that? I got Neophyte's thing.
What's yours? Blueford 777.
Yeah, of course. It's a classic. Jumping Jade. You can and this.
Has declined my friend request. Thanks.
What?
It said you declined my friend request.
How do? What? Wait.
That's fucking rude. Why would you do that?
How could I decline if what? You say, oh no.
You keep declining my friend request.
No, it's because I was in the young thing. I put it in ignored by accident. And what else have it listed? Okay, now does it work now? Stupid game.
Yes.
Oh wait,
oh
Trove isn't stupid, it's the greatest game. Good PC then.
You should join me. Actually, you're too low of a level for
what?
now. Actually, you're probably not. Your stuff is just gonna be really weak.
You mean I'm very strong, Hayden? I'm one of the greatest of all time. I'm like top 5 at least. Wait, can you fly in this game? If I double tap and times could I? I don't think it would. Once upon a time, there was a man named Join. Join. Your power rank is not high enough to enter this world. Okay.
Told you.
Yeah, well, how do I get a higher power rank?
Go to the Atlas and get into your low level thing. And then start killing things and like go into dungeons and stuff.
Yes, I know what an Atlas is. Yes.
It's just Atlas.
Wait, that should tell me. Wait.
Oh.
These blossom wings. Am I supposed to kill the butterflies?
Yeah, nobody likes butterflies.
I'm sorry, it doesn't let me kill the butterflies. Oh, the dragonflies. It's kind of stupid, actually. I should have became one of those skeleton guys. They look cool. Wait, I found a monster. I should go. My game. Come on, game. You're very good. I believe it. Wait. Should I go to Springfield? Nothing but Simpsons. Hey, then I found a donkey.
Oh, you found Phoenix? I mean,
What? I already found a donkey. That's kind of rude. Hey, then you can't just call someone a donkey. Just like how you can't call them a... Wait. What was I saying? Well, anyways. This game. My god. Never gonna... Is there a way to check how much FPS yet?
nope.
That's kinda stupid. I thought this was a good game.
It is.
Okay, I'm just kidding. I don't want to make people that this game is dead and it's too stupid to see that.
Yes.
It's not my fault though. It's my Plus's fault. It's not my PC fault either. It's not my internet's fault. It's my fault. I'm just not good enough. Just not tailed enough. Found some guy. Enter the medieval islands world. Okay. Good to see you again, Tilvian. I've made some changes to how you view the world, and I'll talk you up here in the top 8 going forward. As you saw, Touchdown is working for someone. Someone looking to collect souls. But why? Explore the medieval highlands to look for clues. The station next to me and the sun goddess statue is the Atlas. It shows the whole known universe. Use this atlas of your seat Control A to visit a medieval highlands world and start exploring. Hey, then are you in a medieval highlands world?
No.
Well, in that case, I don't think I can.
I'm very laggy right now.
Yes, aren't we all? Yeah. Actually, maybe I'm gonna go to Neon City.
You can't. You're not that high level.
It's not fair. I can go to the snow place. It's called Fortnite. Just kidding.
That's where I am at. I'm at the snow place.
You at the snow place? Permafrost world?
Yeah.
I'm not going there. I'm going to the medieval highlands world. Is there a law there in this game? Oh, yes. Am I? Oh, what? 1,000 cubits? Is that good?
Yeah.
What do I use it for?
I do not remember, to be honest.
This is so lag, but at the same time, I'm actually.
I might play another game.
Why? I just downloaded this. I don't think I'm gonna. I might delete it, but no. But But maybe, okay, you know what I'm... No, if I delete it, then I'd be stupid. But I'm stupid, so I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna get GTFO because that's not gonna make my PC at all. So, we have a map in this? What's this? Aiden? You still there? You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to a dungeon. I'm supposed to get this to board in. Oh no. It's not right. Okay. Okay. I don't see any done. Okay, yeah. I'm excited. Picking it heal up. Oh wait. Where's my health bar? It's at the down. I've been looking at levels. That's not one of my. Oh, I think I got a better weapon. But I don't think I'm supposed to take this. Oh! I think I have to. Ah! Stop it. After playing this game, I think Elden Ring did fine on this PC. Might be a little choppy, but you know. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Wait, I did it? I defeated a dungeon? Complete another dungeon and get a state, and are you still there? Like, you don't talk.
Yeah.
You never speak. Do you just not speak when you steal?
I don't know.
Why did I sound like that? Something's happened to me. I must be possessed. Jeez. Stop, stupid fucker. Bluey. Colors turning into a spiral of flame, destined for nothing more than just fame. After you complete it, something is it just gonna be complete for?
I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch.
Are you gonna do that now or come on?
I'm ending my stream now. I'm just gonna set up everything first. Because Twitch is better than YouTube.
Have you ever streamed on Twitch? Just so even if you wanted my help, I can. Superior. Like, oh my gosh. How dare he accuse me of leaving him? That ungrateful old cute man shall know his place, for I am the Knight of Toys. I should have called myself a toy. Wow! to make Blizzard now it's time to say goodbye. I still ain't here. Oh, jeez. Wait, is it a good idea to ignore those things? Oh, you have so many outlines. That's man, sorry, stupid. Power of what? Did you get fall damage?
No.
No. So clueless. Wait. Oh, I just realized this. H. Wait. Oh, if you hold H, you just transport to another world. I'm too dumb to realize that. And I go down to find the blood. What's this one? Class? Can you just change classes like that? Oh, there's different classes which you can buy. Buy classes. So many different kinds of classes. There's a Tomb Laser, Lieutenant, Lunar Lancer, Clawmancer, Boomerang, I saw that in the tutorial as well as that one. A Jokerite, Gunslinger, that was in the tutorial. Neon Ninja. Ninja, that famous steamer. Ice Age Sage, Shadow Hunter, Fate Trickster, Candy Bomb. That's the one you chose, Pilot Captain, and Knight. I own! I guess I'm sitting. Cool. I'm the Dave Hunter, someone's in danger. Your PC is in danger. If you don't close this game immediately, you will crash. I think that's a good
something like that.
Huh?
Fortnite.
Hitting to like a berserk. Yeah, that was a good title for this team. But I can't even play me in the walls. What was How do I check? How do you open a status? Oh, open. Nice. You got mushroom chunks. Is that good? No.
Mushroom.
Oh, does that mean you could possibly be? If you could be first person in this game, it would be so much better. I'm just kidding. Please don't be offended. It's just so sad. Check here. Oh, you know I'm gonna try you that much of me. That's very nice of you, man. Let's check if I still have them. Okay. Qubits are good, and you can earn more every day by completing dungeons. I'm at a store now. Oh, I have 500 qubits. But my daily thing said I got 1,000. Oh, this is definitely not qubits. No, it's just something else.
Wait, flux.
Do you get a third dragon? What's so cool about a dragon, anyways?
That it flies.
You have to buy it if you want a third dragon. I guess it's not fair then, huh? What's a dragon coin boost? Anyway, there's that one looks cool. Dormant. Luna. This looks like Pixel Gun. It really looks like Pixel Gun. Anyone who played that game, that was fun. I know me and Aiden played it. Other than that, I don't think anyone else has even played of it. Except maybe Dave. Oh, wait, I should play Roblox. And he's gonna watch me play Roblox. I'm gonna become a famous YouTuber. I'm just kidding, I did not say YouTuber, I said Twitch streamer. You guys just didn't hear me.
Yeah, we're not playing Roblox.
You just are an intellectual play Roblox. That's all. Definite. You have to. If you want to become a good streamer, you have to play Roblox. That's what I've learned in my last 40 billion years. Who's the greatest player of all time? Oh. How do you check who the best player of all time is?
It's me.
It doesn't say though. So many people are the same rank as me. Until contest ends. Rank 2000 plus. Power rank? I bet it shows power rank, it shows one of these.
Cotton, unless you're Cotton.
Alpha Legacy is the best clan, okay? The best Crow Gold Master is 408 Matt. The best Vanguardian is Feels Pog. Good for him. Or her, I guess. The best Dino Tamer is Avish. 253. The best Krogo, I think I did that. No, Chloromance is Kirby, makes sense. The best Revenant is 48 Matt. The best Lunamance is Kia Ki. The best Tunes is Kia Ki. Kia. What? This guy holds 2 in the lead. Good for him, man. Oh, Boomerang's is 48 Matt. Like, there's multiple. The best pilot character is Fields Pog. The best Shadow Hunter is Kiyaki. The best Ice Sage is Fidoru. The best Candy Barbarian is Heyday 107? What? No way. Wow, I can't believe it. The best Neon Ninja is Kiyaki. The best Dirkulet is Kendalia. The best Faetixter is Fieldspog. The best Gunslinger is Fieldspog. The best Knight is Bruford 777. No, this game is the best of all time. This is the greatest game I'll ever play in my life. Because it says the best Knight is Bruford 777. Wait a minute. That's a bit weird. is a bit weird. I guess I am the best knight. 777, the greatest knight of all time. Whoa. This is the greatest of all time. So I'm the best at something, and usually I'm the best at nothing, so yeah. Greatest game ever. Well, I've been doing this for 45 minutes, and I don't think I've been doing anything interesting so far. You wanna play Team Fortress 2, Aiden?
No, I don't have it downloaded. I'm playing this weird game on Twitch right now. I'm on Twitch.
What weird game?
It's called FPS Game Dev Test. It's like really weird. There's single player and multiplayer. Enable bots. Team
I'll play a
bots.
different game then. What game?
AI difficulty. There. What's going on, guys? It's Harry here.
Should I delete Trove?
Oh, it's a scar from Fortnite.
No way!
Use a scar? You can use a Glock 18. Holy fuck. Sorry for the language, sir.
This is a family-friendly channel. Come on.
Ryan, you should watch me on Twitter now. It's
No,
BSY_psycho.
Hayden, you know, like you can get there was this thing, a bunch of streamers abused something, and now you're not allowed to do the action on Twitch. That's how it works. So,
I don't know what that is.
well,
wait, this game's actually like really well made.
Okay.
Whoa!
I should play it then. Tell me what it's called.
It's like a first-person shooter. It's called FPS Game Dev Test. That's literally its name.
Dude, I see it. I'm about to play the greatest game. Oh my god, this looks titty.
I have the overall quality on.
No way, it's similar to games you've played. It's similar to Splitgate. Let's go. It's similar to Splitgate.
You played Splitgate on this?
I think my Steam just cached, yeah. Yeah, definitely cached.
I just took fall damage? That's scary.
Was I even streaming this whole time?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you were.
Okay. Yeah, it said I had to leave station because Trove must have crashed my Steam thing. I can't play Trove anymore, that sucks.
Why can I never find a fucking player, bro?
Oh, yo!
I killed him. It's like Call of Duty.
It's like Call of Duty.
I just died.
I wanna get
Wait,
it at the same time.
Wait, can you get snipers? Can you get snipers in there? You can use a sniper. Holy
it looks
crap.
good, actually.
I'm gonna go sniper god mode. Holy shit.
A simplified multiplayer FPS game strictly built and packaged for development testing and network development.
Yeah, but I'm playing it anyway because, you know. I'm the developer of
Oh wait,
Fortnite,
no,
so.
this is like this game is meant for like helping you make a new FPS shooter or something like that. So like if you want to make a FPS shooter, this is basically to help you with that.
Oh, yeah.
So it's basically.
Yo, wait.
That's nice of them. That's nice. At least I think that's what it is. That's nice of them if it is. That's real nice of them. Good. Yeah,
no.
Good boy.
I just got killed by Steve 5. I'm playing against bots right now.
Imagine getting killed by Steve 05. Wow.
Well, I can throw a perk? That's kind of fucking weird.
I don't think it's weird. Maybe you're just weird. Okay, I'm gonna go on Twitch and see if everything recorded. Because if it didn't, that sucks. Wait, I'm gonna.
Okay, I will do it.
Shut up.
Headshot.
No, I don't want to get you banned. Not banned, but like.
No, dang it.
It says I'm live, but I'm not. Unless I am. Must be glitched or something.